welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make mango pudding. This is a very delicious and easy dessert recipe, perfect during this mango season. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Today I've taken one ripe mango. You can go with your favorite variety of mango. Cut off one cheek. We'll need only one cheek for this recipe. Chop the flesh into small pieces. You can also scoop out the flesh with a spoon. Any preferred method should be fine. Transfer it to a mixer jar. To this add 4 tablespoons of sugar. Grind this to a fine paste. Now to this add half cup of milk and grind it well again. Keep this ready. I've taken a cup of water in a small bowl. To this add 2 teaspoons of corn flour. Mix it well. Make sure no lumps are formed. Now we have a smooth paste. Keep this ready as well. You heat a pan and to this add 1 cup of milk. Keep the flame in medium throughout the process. To this add the mango puree mixture and mix it well. When it's well mixed, add the corn mixture and mix it well continuously. Make sure no lumps are formed. In 2 minutes it will start to thicken up, so stir continuously. In 5 minutes it's thick and ready, so off the flame and add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Mix it well and a mango pudding base is now ready. Transfer it to small bowls or any desired molds. You can also use cupcake molds. Allow it to come to room temperature and then refrigerate for 2 hours. After 2 hours, a delicious mango pudding is ready. You can serve it right away and enjoy it with your family and friends. A very easy, delicious and a quick dessert recipe. So do try this mango pudding recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.